leaso. So, you learned about noun phrases, verb phrases, and object phrases. You may or may not know a lot of definitions at this point, and you're probably wondering, what good is this going to do for my overall quest in learning Samoan? I'll show you. I'll give you some sentences and we'll dissect them together. You might not know every word, but if you know the sentence structure, you'll know where the words are supposed to go and how everything is supposed to flow. Also, knowing the phrase structure gives you a way to organize the language in your head so that it makes sense. That way, it doesn't just sound and look like a bunch of random words. First sentence. Olo'o fa'alongo oe ya te ao. Does the sentence begin with a standalone noun phrase, a verb phrase, or object phrase? It begins with a verb phrase with a pronoun in it. Olo'o fa'alongo oe is the verb phrase. Olo'o is the tense marker and it's paired with fa'alongo, or listen. Current continuous fa'alongo means you are fa'alongo as I speak, so you're listening. The pronoun you or oe is part of the verb phrase, so you are listening. Then the object phrase is ya te ao. Ya is the prepositional term that leads the object phrase when you're talking about people. So ya te ao, or to me. You are listening to me. An important thing about phrases is that it helps you break down large chunks of language into smaller parts. So for a final exercise, we'll go over this paragraph and break it down phrase by phrase. O a'o vili, o te fia se kenge I la o vasenga. Na o alu I le fale aonga I le ananafi. Sa ku'ina aku a'u se fungala au ya ke ia mai le malaika alo. Sa ako le kenge. O lei lo le mafuango o ia sa aka. Sa ofisiri aku yaki ia. Ai se a o lo o e aka I la fungala au. Sa kali mai le kenge. Oke ia se uo kama. O ia au mai ne fungala au mai le malaika alo I le aso uma. O a'o vili is an entire noun phrase where this noun is equal to that noun. I am William. O te fia se kenge I la vasenga. O te fia means I like. It's a verb phrase that uses a pre-verb pronoun o with the te tense marker. The object is a girl in his class, or se kenge I la vasenga. Na o alu I le fale aonga I le ananafi. This sentence starts off with a verb phrase, and you can tell by the tense marker na. Let's divide the entire sentence. Na o alu is the verb phrase with the pre-verb pronoun I or o before the alu. That leaves the object I le fale aonga I le ananafi. To the school in the yesterday. You might also hear the second I le omitted. I le fale aonga ananafi. Sa tu'uina atu a'u se fungala au ya te ia mai le malaita alo. Let's identify each part. Sa tu'uina atu a'u, a verb phrase with a post-verb noun for I, which is a'u. Tu'uina atu is give, so sa tu'uina atu is past tense give or gave, so I gave. The object phrase, a flower, to her from the field, se fungala au ya te ia mai le malaika alo. O le tene sa ata, a noun phrase, o le tene, and then a verb phrase, sa ata, the girl laughed. Sa ofisiri atu ya te ia. This looks like a verb phrase with a pronoun and an object directed at a person, ya te ia. I se a o lo'o e ata I la fungala au. I say a is a question word. These words can go before a tense marker. It appears before o lo'o, so we have a verb phrase o lo'o, pre-verb pronoun e for you, and ata is laugh. O lo'o ata is laughing. So, why are you laughing? The object is I la fungala au, or at my flower. Sa tali mai le tene, Past tense reply by the girl. Sa tali mai. O te iai se uokama. This is the verb phrase. I have or o te iai. And the object phrase is se uotama or a boyfriend. O ia e au mai ne fungala au malai ta'alo I le aso uma. Where's the noun phrase here? O ia. It leaves the sentence. So the verb phrase is e au mai. Since the noun phrase stands alone, the verb phrase that's connected to it doesn't have a pronoun. This is important because you could probably mistake the e for the pre-verb version of you, but this is actually a tense marker connected to the verb au mai. So, her boyfriend gives her these flowers regularly according to the tense marker e. What's the object? These flowers from the field every day. Or, ne fungala au male malai ta'alo I le aso uma.